Welcome, welcome to Rice ASMR. This is an old audio recording that I did back in 2019, and this audio will turn you to the animal of your choice, as well as suggestions to be blank and empty. If you're uncomfortable with anything that I've said, then please stop listening now. If you have not already, please make sure to be in a comfortable position where you can easily focus totally on my voice. And I hope you enjoy. I'm going to give you a couple minutes to get comfortable if you are not already. You will notice it will make you go even deeper than ever before if you're comfortable. Now I want you to close your eyes and take a moment and listen to all the sounds you can hear. Just taking a breath in and slowly exhaling. Listen to all the sounds you can hear. What are the sounds you can hear if you're in your room or maybe just home alone in your house? What are the sounds you can hear in your house? Are there footsteps from people around? Can you hear someone's music? What can you hear? What kind of temperature do you feel? Is it hot? Is it warm? Is it cold? Is it cozy? Are you cozy in your bed or your chair or on your couch? Is there a fan or a clock in the distance? Can you hear the ticking of the clock? I just want you to focus on every sound and even my voice that you can hear. Just focus and follow it intently, noticing all the sounds and my voice, hearing those sounds echo and vibrate into your mind, just letting go to all the sounds. Have you noticed your breathing yet? The sounds of your nose breathing in and out. As each word I say goes into your head, into your mind, and registers in your brain, feeling your chest go up and down as you breathe, letting my words echo in your head. As my words echo in your head, as you focus on everything in your house, and even my voice, just drop, letting go to all the sounds you can hear, and just let it all go as you drop. Just focus and follow my voice down deep into hypnosis. Just relax and sink deep. Just so easy to just relax and sink and drop. I'm going to count down 20 to 0, and as I do, you'll notice yourself going even deeper than ever before, letting yourself drop into hypnosis. Let yourself relax. 20. Just let yourself echo my words as you hear them. 19. Letting my words bring you deep as you repeat. 18. Echo all my words in your head and sink deeper. 17. Just focus on my words as it brings you deep into hypnosis. 16. Letting your mind sink into hypnosis as you focus focus on my words. 15, letting go of your thoughts with each word I say. No need to think. 14, slip into my words. 13, slip and slide down. 12, no thoughts, no thinking. 11, focus and follow my words down into hypnosis. 10, relax and sink deeper and deeper. 9, the deeper you go, the better you feel. 8, the better you feel, the deeper you go. 7, sinking, drifting deep so easily. 6, letting go of your thoughts as you sink. 5, feeling so fuzzy and warm. 4, cozy and drifty. 3, letting go as you sink deeper to my words. 2, letting go. 1, drop even deeper. Now I'm going to wake you all up in a few seconds, and when I do, I'm going to say drop and snap my fingers, and when I do, you'll go back into this deep trance, this deep hypnosis, going even further and even deeper than ever before. 1, rising up. 2, a little bit faster. 3, wide awake. Drop. Just closing your eyes and dropping back down, deeper and deeper. I just want you to imagine yourself. Imagine yourself laying on top of water, just floating and letting yourself relax to this deep, deep trance. Just drop, sinking, drifting even deeper into hypnosis, doing so well as you sink further and deeper. 10, relax and sink. 9, the deeper you go, the better you feel. 8, the better you feel, the deeper you go. 7, sinking, drifting deep so easily. 6, letting go of your thoughts as you sink. 5, feeling so fuzzy and warm. 4, cozy and drifty. 3, letting go as you sink deeper to my words. 2, letting go, drop. Waking up on the count of 3. 1, rising up. 2, a little bit faster. And 3, wide awake. Just drop, closing your eyes, sinking deeper and deeper, letting go as you sink further and further of your thoughts. No need to remember a thing as your thoughts just drift away, becoming blank No need to remember a thing because you're blank. Blank and sinking deeper and deeper, blank and thoughtless. No need to think, just sink. Letting go of those thoughts as you slip even further. Waking up on the count of 3. 1, rising up. 2, a little bit faster. And 3, wide awake. Drop. No need to think, just sink. Letting go of your thoughts, letting them just drift away. Just becoming blank. No need to remember a thing because you're blank. Blank and thoughtless, letting go as you think. No thinking, just slipping and sliding down. Further and further down. 10, relax. 9, the deeper you go, the better you feel. 8, the better you feel, the deeper you go. 7, sinking and drifting deep. 6, letting go of your thoughts as you sink. 5, feeling so fuzzy and warm. 4, cozy and drifting. 3, letting go as you sink even deeper to my voice. 2, letting go. Drop. I'm going to count down 20 to 0, and as I do, you'll notice yourself going even deeper than ever before. Just drop into hypnosis so easily and so effortlessly. 20, just becoming blank, nothing in your head, just blank. 19, letting my words just echo in your head. 18, letting my words bring you deep as you repeat. 17, just blank and thoughtless. Just focus on my words as it brings you deep into hypnosis. 16, letting your mind sink and focus on my words. 15, just focus on my voice as it brings you deep into hypnosis. 14, no need to think, just slip into my voice. 13, slip and slide down. 12, no thoughts, no thinking. Focus and follow my words down into hypnosis. 12, deeper and deeper. 10, relax and sink. 9, the deeper you go, the better you feel. 8, the better you feel, the deeper you go. 7, sinking, drifting so deep. 6, letting go of your thoughts. 5, feeling so fuzzy and warm. 4, cozy and drifting. 3, letting go as you sink deeper to my words. 2, letting go. Drop. Sinking deeper and deeper into hypnosis. Further and further. Now I just want you to imagine your favorite animal. What does it look like? Does it have fur? What kinds of sounds does it make? How does it walk? How does it interact with people? I just want you to draw this animal in your mind. Imagine a piece of paper, having this animal being drawn in front of you. As it's being drawn in front of you, just notice yourself being turned into this animal, feeling your feet being turned into animal feet, your legs, your torso, your arms, your chest, your head, just being drawn into this animal, being turned, feeling the changes, feeling it, seeing it, hear it as you sink, as you feel it. Everything being changed is changing to this specific animal. Unable to talk like a person because you're an animal. Just feeling being drawn into this animal. Feeling me give you nice pats on your head. So cozy, so safe, so fuzzy. Just being turned into this animal. So easily and so effortlessly, you are this animal, your favorite animal. And you can stay like this for as little or as long as you want. I'm going to wake you all up on the count of 10. When I do, you'll feel refreshed, rejuvenated, awake, and alert when I reach 10. 1. Letting you stay as this specific animal for as long or as little as you want. 2. Feeling yourself as this animal. 3. 4. 5. Rising up slowly. 6. Letting your thoughts slowly come back. 7. Letting you become more human. 8. Becoming more and more aware. 9. Remembering as little or as much as you want to remember. Able to think straight. 10. Wide awake. If you enjoyed this recording, please like and subscribe and comment down below. Also, I have lost most of my old content, and I know that some of you have stolen them. But if you have a favorite file that you have on hand that you stole from me and you want to see it back on the YouTube channel, let me know in the comments down below if you wanted to give it to me. And if you do, then you can just come on to my Discord and let me know. Anyways, I hope you enjoyed this video. And if you have, I hope to see you in another one.